Hi everyone. Welcome back to Daily Data Engineering Shorts. In the previous episode we discussed how Delta Lake improves the performance using optimize and file compaction. Today we are going to one level deeper and answer one more question. How does Delta Lake avoid scanning data when it does not need? So basically the question is how Delta Lake speed ups the queries using data skipping and JIT ordering. So in large analytical tables, queries rarely need to read all the data. So most queries filter by columns such as date, uh, customer ID, maybe the primary key of the table, region, or a status. How traditional data lakes still scan a large number of files even when only a small subset is relevant. This leads to waste of input output and the higher latency and unnecessary compute costs. So basically, Delta Lake address this problem using data skipping. For every data file, Delta Lake stores statistics such as minimum and maximum values for each column. So before reading a file, Delta Lake checks these statistics like against the query filters. So if the file cannot possibly contain the matching data, it is skipped entirely. So basically data skipping becomes more effective when similar values are grouped together. So if data is randomly distributed, many files will still overlap in value ranges, reducing skipping efficiency. So this is where physical data layout becomes critical for performance. So better organization directly translates into fewer files being scanned. Here JIT ordering helps. So basically JIT ordering reorganizes the data so that related columns values are co-located within the same set of files. So instead of sorting on a single column, JIT ordering optimizes data placement across the multiple columns at the same time. So this dramatically increases the effectiveness of the data skipping for common query patterns. And why this matter in the real system or in production? So with data skipping and JIT ordering, queries can scan fewer files, read less data, and complete the query faster. So this reduces the cloud compute cost and improves the user experience. So these optimizations become increasingly important as tables grow to terabytes or maybe petabytes or the larger size. So Delta Lake makes these optimizations transparent and reliable. So this is how Delta Lake speed ups the queries using data skipping and JIT ordering. So that's it for this episode. In the next episode, we'll discuss how Delta Lake enforces schema validation and handles schema evolution safely. So if this episode helped you understand the real data system, please like, share, and subscribe, and follow the daily data engineering concepts. See you in next episode. Thank you.